Tata Motors Off-Campus 2023. Company name Tata Motors. Qualification any graduates/postgraduates, B.E, B.Tech, MBA, MCA, M.E, M.Tech. Year of passing 2023, 2022, 2021 batch. Experience freshers. Job role freshers. Category off-campus. Job location anywhere in India. Marks criteria. Hence, any graduates and postgraduates. Furthermore, no backlogs. The gap between academic careers should not be more than 1 year. Minimum of 60% in an academic career. Selection process 2023. Online written test. Technical interview. HR interview. Apply link is in description. Hit like and subscribe our channel for more info.